Hey guys, Tony here. Hey, I just wanted to give you a little review on this Medvoe 3,000 milligrams ozone generator. Just used it. Boy, it did a great job. It's one of my rentals. It's excellent for if you got a tour business or you're a dealer, or maybe just want to air your vehicle out because somebody smoked in it, like this one. This is one of my rentals, and the guy smoked weed in it. So I bought this because I couldn't get the smell out, and boy, it worked. And it's pretty easy to use. If you see the dials, the timer is based on size, which it gives you instructions, but it'll actually work up to 4,000 square feet, 30,000 milligrams per hour. Really don't need anything. I didn't do an unboxing because it was in a box and I took it out. Nothing complicated about that, but it'll, the minutes per the time. So for instance, like for this car, I put it on, 15 minutes, and that's, for 600 square feet. I actually could have did it less. Then I end up really actually changing it to 30 minutes just to make sure it got all the smell. Look, if you don't get the smell out, you can actually put it longer and it works. But yeah, I mean, the smell here is smells like a bleachy smell, but clean smell, no more smoke. Then I use this. If you guys want to use this, that I use from, got this at AutoZone. Where is it? Yeah, I got this new car smell put over top of that after it's done. It works well. But yeah, the Medvoe ozone generator, 3,000 milligrams per hour. It works well. If you need something like this, I would definitely say this is the best thing for smoke, pets, anything. You can put it in the house, car, whatever you want to, wherever you want to put it, but it works well. Certainly got my endorsement. I'll leave the link down below if you're interested. All right, thanks, bye.